All right, guys, this video is for the second part of our Thursday, November the 6th lab. And here we're introducing something called shared preferences. Now, shared preferences, you can imagine that an app which forgot whatever you told it before, and you had to, you fire up Microsoft Word to do your resume and there's nothing there from before, that would not be very pleasant. So here we're going to see how we can take the Flower Shop app and persist the data, right? So let's see about that now. So I was still running it from before, so I'm going to kill the app now, so I'll just stop. Now this does not have a lot of stuff we're going to be introducing next week, right? It does not have a back button to go back to the first screen, and next week we'll see about Recycler View so we can see all of the data records that are there. But it does show shared preferences, which is our key goal. So I'm going to now notice James Bond is there. Actually, I think I already said clear data. So when we start again, James Bond will not be there. You can read the PowerPoint and you can see how shared preferences is actually a key value JSON-like file in your operating system. We'll talk about that in the lecture tonight. Now let's go ahead and fire this guy up again. And make Logcat a part of your practice, right? Make it something that you just have open all the time so your eyes get used to seeing it. So install was successful, that's good. I mean, it's faster for me than it's going to be for you the first time because, because I've already run it. First time it sets itself up. And once again, I have to wait a couple of seconds here before the screen becomes responsive because my operating system is being tied up, so just give it a couple of seconds there. Ah, there we go. Now we can see if we stop the app and restart it, because right now I could go, and maybe depending how fast things go in class, I might give you a little extension activity to do this by yourself. But let's stop the app, so we'll turn it off so it's all gone. And now we'll restart it. So Peter Parker, you see right there. So it remembers that from last time and will run in the debugger and we'll see where that's being... You know, the way I think about shared preferences, it's like a little box, like a little lockbox. Maybe you keep your diary or something in. It's a little file of key value pairs in JSON-like format in a file in your apps folder. That's physically how it's stored. So you see now I've come back here and it retrieved and it figured out that I already have a user, so it did not show me the user information gathering screen. Once again, pretty primitive, right? It doesn't have a lot of stuff. It does not have a button to go back to the home app. It does not have a way of viewing all the saved users, but it does prove to us that we can now save and retrieve data, which is what we wanted to do. And if I, see there's my toast. If I now exit and come back, then that'll be empty. And I'll go back to the main screen, and we're going to do that in class.